So thank you for joining us today. I am Michelle, the CVO with Mac Electric Company. We are getting a lot of calls around this subject of what is the BPO. The BPO is the Boulder Performance Ordinance. This is a non-voluntary ordinance that the City of Boulder has adopted for energy efficiency in commercial and industrial buildings. And there are 4 key factors that you need to know a little bit more about that will be part of the requirements of this ordinance. The first thing that you're going to need to do is start reporting your building on the Energy Star Portfolio Manager and the energy use that you have annually. Matt can help you through this process. We've got great resources for this, so don't worry about all the logistics of it. The second thing that you're going to need to do is a energy assessment report. This is typically done by one of our engineers. It's a very thorough report that shows exactly what kind of equipment you have in your building and how much energy it uses, and then they'll also be able to draw out some great ways for you to save energy. This is something that you're going to need to complete every 10 years on your building. Thirdly would be a retro commissioning project. For those of you that don't know what that means, it's simply just going through all the systems in your building and making sure everything is running optimally. And that would be required every 3 years as part of this ordinance requirement. And then finally, the last thing that you need to take care of is a one-time lighting upgrade. Again, your lighting systems would be analyzed. Mac is definitely an expert in this category, and we can help you through this process from beginning to end, as well as getting you all the resources that you need to make sure you're meeting all 4 of these steps as required by the city. So we're here to help you. Please do go to the Boulder City website and check it out there. They've got tons of detailed information. And also at macelectric.com, that would be www.macelectricco.com. We have a timeline there. Come check it out and you'll be able to see when your building is due for these different measures. And again, give us a call. Let us help you get through this.